The vibrance of the market makes shopping an exciting prospect. But make sure to keep your wits with you. Here are some tips to help maximize your Dangwa Manila flower shopping experience. Look around first. Do not buy from the first stall you come across at the Dangwa flower market, as there is a good chance other stores are also offering what you're looking for at lower prices or better quality. At the same time, do not expect all stalls to sell the same flowers. Different stalls have different specializations and unique offerings, so be keen on that. You can buy various flowers from different stalls and have another stall arrange them for you. Be choosy when picking flowers and, if possible, avoid buying in bulk immediately until you have explored the place. Special items can also be found in Dangwa Flower Market. That might be hard to find anywhere else. These include floral foam, floral wire, baskets, and vases. There will be a couple of times when you'll need flowers to brighten up an occasion, so being knowledgeable about the Metro's premier flower market will save you time, lessen your stress, and even help you stick to your budget. The flower market's peak seasons are around graduation days, Holy Week, Valentine's Day, All Saints' Day and Mother's Day, and Christmas season. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.